Hi everybody. In this lesson, we will practice making sentences and speaking in the present simple, indefinite tense. The sentence structure: subject, verb 1, object. He works every day. Pay attention to the fact that in the present simple tense, a verb has an ending s or es after he, she, it. I, we, you, they. Go. He, she, it goes. On the right, you can see time markers. They show that we use the present simple tense when we speak about events that happen every day, regularly, usually, often, seldom, sometimes, always, once a week, month, and so on. To make a question, we put the auxiliary verb, to do, before a subject. To make a negative sentence, we put the negation, not, after the auxiliary verb. If you have a look at examples, you will see that we use the present simple tense to describe facts. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Regular repeated actions. We go to school by bus. Events that happen on schedule. The shop closes at 7 o'clock. Now, proceed to the next slide and do speaking exercises. Doing speaking exercises with beautiful English speaking training tools is very useful. They will help you to get automatic speaking skills, improve your memory, and enhance your learning abilities.